Hi, my name is Austin Ashbacker, and today I'm going to go over how to import topography into Vermeer Projects. So let's get started. So in Vermeer Projects, you have the ability to map in topography, but you also have the ability to use Google Topography. There may be a rare case where you have some outside topography information that you want to pull into your project. So in this case, what we've done is we've taken our outside topography information and we've set it up in a 2-column Excel document. We've got distance and we've got elevation. This is distance down bore line, and this is the elevation at each of those points. So we've got this document and we've got it saved. We've got it saved as survey topography. So we're gonna go back to projects. What we're gonna do is we will select our line. We will go into our bore line properties. From here, we'll go to topography, and right now we have Google Topography selected. But what we want to do is we want to import that other topography. So we're going to select user defined, and we'll go down to the bottom, we'll select import. And from here, it's saved to our desktop, survey topography, select open. And it's asking you how you want it imported, distance and elevation, select OK. And now it has pulled in that Excel file, those distances with those elevations under user defined. So we're going to select OK. And now we have imported our topography from an Excel file into Vermeer Projects. That's all for this video. We'll see you next time.